In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, we'll use Google to get to Wix, and then we'll move inside your Wix dashboard to locate the cookie settings, so you can understand where they live and what they control. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Wix. Look for the official result from Wix.com. If you see ads at the top, just make sure you're clicking the official Wix link. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the Wix dashboard. If you're prompted to log in, do that securely and avoid entering any details on unfamiliar pages. The goal here is simply to reach your Wix account so you can access the site settings. This quick path through Google is often the fastest way to land on the right place without memorizing URLs. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, choose the site you want to work on if you manage more than one. Now, open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the search field. This is a handy shortcut that saves you from digging through multiple menus. Type Cookies into the search bar. You should see a result related to cookies or cookie consent. Click that result to open the Cookie Settings area. This is the section that controls how your site handles browser cookies and what your visitors see in terms of consent. You'll typically find options related to a consent banner, which informs visitors about data collection and lets them accept or manage categories. You may also see distinctions between essential cookies, which are needed for basic site functions, and other categories used for analytics or marketing. Use this page to understand how your current setup communicates with visitors and how it aligns with your privacy needs. If your audience includes regions with stricter rules, like the EU or UK, make sure the behavior here matches those expectations. If you don't see the search bar in Settings, try widening your browser window or scrolling. On smaller screens, some controls can be tucked away. If the cookies page doesn't appear in the results, refresh the dashboard, confirm you're on the correct site, or check that your role has access to settings. After reviewing your configuration, visit your site in a private browser window to observe what first-time visitors experience. Clearing your browser cookies between checks helps you see the banner as new visitors would. And remember, these controls are about transparency and trust. They're not legal advice, so consider your organization's compliance requirements. That's it. Start at Google to reach Wix, then use Settings in your dashboard to find cookies and review your consent setup. Thanks for watching and happy building.